All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Bryant Barnes, highly appreciated. I'm aware of that. We had songs from him like I'd Rather Pretend, a great song here on Gordon Guitar, and also Give Me a Sign, a couple more songs. And this time we're gonna have Why Can't You, okay? A nice song. And you could go with the cape on different positions here, or you can just skip it if you want to. I choose to go here with the capo on fifth. I believe that is the easiest way to have the chords, but also the melody that requires high notes, and to have everything put together. I think this is the middle row to go the best way. So let's put the capo on fifth and go into the chords we need to handle. All right, so we're gonna start with the D sharp major 7. So goes like that. It's the first fret on D string, and then third G, third B, and third E. I place a little bar there, a second bar in front of that finger I'm using on the first fret D string. So bar on the third fret, okay, and I push down the last 3 strings here, okay. So that is the D sharp major 7. We have the D minor 7 next, and that goes open D, second G, first B, and first E. And the last 2 strings there on the first fret, I place a short little bar there as well with my little index finger, okay? Then we have the C minor 7. That's a bar chord again. We have now a bar on the third fret and push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 5th on D and 4th on B. And then we have the A sharp major 7. So place the index finger now on the first fret and push down 5 strings there as a bar. And then you need to add 3rd D, 2nd G, and 3rd B. Like that. And there you have all the chords needed when it comes to the full grips and the strumming. And yeah, we'll play some chords more there, but just with picking patterns. We'll come to that. First, let's go into the verse play. We're going to handle it with the melody, okay? So it goes from the D sharp first, then to the D minor, then C minor, and then A sharp. So you're going to start with the D sharp pattern first. It goes like this. Okay, so you're going to start with the first fret D string and play that together with 3rd high E, then 3rd B, and 3rd G. Then you continue for 3 more rounds of the 3rd E, 3rd B, and 3rd G. And there you have the D sharp pattern. So bass in the first round, and then you continue with another 3 rounds without the bass. So okay. Then you have the same pattern for the D minor. Now you hold the grip as the D minor chord, and you're going to play this. Okay, so you're going to play the open D string now together with 1st high E, then 1st B, and 2nd G. And then you have a little jump here, a little difference here in the timing. You're going to play. So you play the 1st high E string, and then you have a longer pause, and then you play the next 2 notes, the 1st B and 2nd G, faster together. So, and then you continue with 2 more normal, so to speak, rounds of that 1st E, 1st B, and 2nd G. So that's the only chord that differs a little from the other when it comes to the playing, okay? So the D minor goes like this. Okay, then you have the C sharp minor chord, and you grab that as it is, and you're gonna play. So that is to play 3rd fret A string together with 4th B, then 3rd G, and 5th D. And then you continue with 3 more rounds of the 4th B, 3rd G, and 5th D. Okay, And then we have the final chord here in the verse play, and that's to play the A sharp. And for this one, when it comes to holding this, it's a bar chord, but I skip that bar when it comes to the melody playing. We're going to use the bar later when we're going to strum in the chorus, but for this, I skip the bar. I think that is easier to just focus to get it right here, what I need, okay? So I hold it without a bar, just the index on the first fret A string. The real chord is with a bar there, but I just hold the first fret A string and the fingers together like that, and you're going to play. The added notes will be extra if you want to. We'll come to that, but first you're going to play first A together with third B, second G, and third D. And now you can choose either go with 3 rounds, more of the third B, second G, and third D, like this. Or you can play just 2 rounds of that. And the third round will be replaced with the notes. You find them on the 3rd fret B, 4th B, and 1st high E. Okay, so either go with the 3 rounds added or just 2 with this added notes to it. And that's 1 round of the verse. I'm going to take you through this slowly, 1 round, and let's go. Okay, or just 3 rounds. So, and that is 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. Just some technical stuff there. I'm aware of some chords are a little bit different to get, and you have to get them in the right timing as well. So when it comes to that shift between the C minor chord to the A sharp, I'm aware that is a lot of fingers to incorporate in both of these chords, and you have to have time to get there. So that is the reason for me not having the bar. So when I come from this C minor chord and I'm gonna shift to the A sharp, I focus on 2 fingers, and that's my index finger and my little pinky. So from that chord, I go to this position, all right? So you have that C minor. You go to this position, index on the first A, and your little pinky on the third B. That is the first pick you're gonna do, okay? And then I put just the fingers on the strings as they come. So I just focus on these 2, and then I put the fingers in the right place as they come, and then I have the grip, okay? Suddenly I just have the grip, and you just continue with these rounds. So you come from this one, slowly, it goes like this. Now I focus on this grip, and I'll put the fingers on the right place as they come. Okay, some technical stuff there to be able to handle this in the right speed. Anyway, like I said, 2 rounds of that corporation melody, and that's the first verse. Then at 35 seconds into the song, we have the first pre-chorus. Mental solitude, that's where we are in the lyrics. So what you're going to do here is to continue the same pattern when it comes to the D sharp major 7 chord. The same goes with the D minor 7 and even the C minor 7. The first 3 chords are the same as in the verse. Then it differs a little bit. You have the D based chord here. So after you play D sharp, D minor, and C minor, you're gonna play this. Pause. So you're going to play open D string together with first E, then second G, and then third D. Then you play again first E, second G, and third D. And then you shift to this. Play only open D together with second high E, second G, and open D, plus a pause. That pause builds up for the chorus. So only that 1 round is what you're going to play for the pre-chorus. So again, you have the D sharp, the D minor, and the C minor played in the same way as the verse. Then you added this D variations of it. So pause. And then comes the chorus. So the chords, now we're gonna work with strumming and the full chords. So you're gonna have the incorporation of D sharp, the D minor, the C minor, and the A sharp major. That is what's going on. The first round, you're gonna play down, 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 clap in the pause. So 2 times per chord, and then D minor, 1, 2, 3, clap, and again C sharp. Sorry, C minor, and then A sharp. Okay, like that for 1 round. And then the second round, you're gonna play down, 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 clap, down, down. So instead of pause, you continue with 2 downs after a clap. So 3 downs, clap, and 2 downs, like this. 2 times per chord. For 1 round. So total of 2 rounds of the incorporation D sharp, D minor, C minor, and A sharp. The first round is down, 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 clap, and the second round is down, 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 clap, down, down. And that is the first round of this song. Now, into the second round, the second verse is played exactly in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus, and almost the same with the second chorus. The first round is played in the same way, the D sharp, the D minor, C minor, and A sharp with the down, 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 clap in the second chorus. But then the next part to play the down, 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 clap, down, down, instead of playing just 1 round of that chord progression, you play for 2 rounds, okay? So play it for 2 rounds, and that will be your second chorus. And you know what? You're gonna continue with that strumming for another round, and that is the outro. So you play again this down, 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 clap, down, down with the same chord progression for 1 round. That's the outro. And guess what? You managed to play Bryant Barnes' Why Can't You? So yeah, great song, and if you're a fan of him, this is a great song to go into. Not the easiest one, I'm aware of that. The chords are not the easiest, but that is something you can handle when you have your favorite song. Just put some extra time on it and it will be great. So hope that was helpful for you guys, and if it was, then give me a like, subscribe to this channel as always, and play tuned.